Good morning, eighth graders. Happy new week to everyone. Let's start by going over the introductory video. And I think you're going to say this week there's not a lot of whole new stuff introduced. So I'm going to start by going through the instructions for the week, as you all should be doing. First thing I want to make note of this here, I hope that you take advantage of this. Take this and put it in the Notability where you actually can then use it as a checklist, where then each day you can cross out each step as you are there to make sure that it's done. Again, what I'm noticing is that a lot of people are missing instructions and not following through, and I hope this helps. Thursday and Friday, no school for MEA break. You don't have to do anything. Monday, we're going to continue on our postcard. And I just, again, want to make sure that you've chosen 3 out of 5 of the specific categories from Culturegrams. I've listed them here. All right. And look at the instructions. You're going to start looking at making sure that you have all of those images that meet the requirements. Your images cannot violate copyright laws. They have to be in what's called Creative Commons. And so I do have a link here as well as in the folder to the video. Tuesday, the same thing. All right, we're working on a postcard. I know we're spending a lot of time, but we really want you familiar with Culturegrams as into our next assignment. We start within about a week and a half. You're going to need Culturegrams heavily for that. Wednesday, your postcard is due. You must hit submit using the document. And then I also want to make sure that you know that your CNN 10 is due Friday the 23rd for the next 2 week period. That's where we're going to be headed. We will be sharing out, just to give you kind of a heads up, on Thursday and Friday of this week. Not there yet. But you are going to be doing a gallery walk with everyone's postcards from the period that you are in. So you are going to be sharing these out with other people. So make sure you put some effort into them. Make sure they look professional. We're giving you lots of time. So they should look pretty good. Have a wonderful long weekend, eighth graders.